Hello, cookies! Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. And in this video, your girl is going to show you her Coach Cherry collection. I only have a few pieces, but I added a few new ones with the latest drop. So if you are interested in seeing what your girl have in her collection, then stay tuned for more. Oh yeah, my lipstick is a MAC Ruby Woo. And I also have a box here I wanted to share with you guys. Simply D sent this to me for my birthday. And because of my latest situation with Coach, I received a box that was empty. It came by FedEx. I'm like really leery about ordering anything. That was the third time that this happened. So let's get into the box. It's Dooney and Bourke. This came from Riverside, California. So thank you, Simply D. Appreciate you much. I really do. So here's the little. Oh, okay. Yeah. So anyway, this is it. Oh my goodness, this is the one I truly wanted. I couldn't decide what I wanted. She asked me what was I looking at. And I was looking at the waist bags. Oh, it's got the gold Dooney and Bourke plate on it. It's got the leather zipper pull. Oh, and it's the kite print with the pink background. So cute. I love a bum bag. It has the key keeper in it, as you guys can see. And oh, this is nice. I had seen them in Dillard's, but I didn't look in the inside of them. So this is a nice surprise to see what's in here. It has a zipper in the back. Nice. There's a little tag. And then it has a couple curve slots in the slip pocket. Oh, it's so cute. Now, I don't know if it's going to fit around your girl's waist, but let's try and see. It might need some adjustment. It's really tight. It's got this nice buckle. Oh yeah, and it's got plenty of room to stretch here. Nice. It's like the nylon. I probably could spray the nylon so it would stay clean. Oh, it's really generous. Oh my goodness. Oh, nice. It'll fit. It'll fit a plus size. I think my waist is 34 is what I usually buy in my Levi's. 30, 34 or 33. Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. Let me see if I can. Oh yeah, it fits my waist. So yeah, this is cool. Thank you so much. You guys check out Simply D. She has a beautiful collection. She loves her some Dooney and Bourke and Coach. And she loves to chit chat. So thank you. I love it. Oh, by the way, let me just show you guys my cherry bum bag. Just to do this one, I'll probably hold my phone. This one's a pebble leather, has a zipper in the back. This is like my favorite little bum bag. It doesn't have any pockets or anything in the inside. It just has the Coach Creed plus the zipper pocket in the back. And it has an adjustable strap too, but it's not as long. And it hooks on, like with the little leash. But yeah, this is very comfortable. I love how it's got the little cherries on the end. And here's the Coach tag. Oh, it's got just a hint of a cherry there. So yeah, that's my Coach bum bag. So yeah, I'm really excited to have this. I can't wait to wear it. Oh, I have my phone right here. Let me just see if my phone fits while we're at it. I probably, oh yeah, it's a 12 Pro Max. Oh, and it fits in there real nice. Yay, I might use this when I travel. Chicago. Your girl going to Chicago. Anyway, I did get a couple of new pieces from the cherry drop. I wanted to wait and show you guys what I got before I opened it. This is the Heart Wrist Cherry. Chalk Multi. I think the new cherry collection is so adorable. I might add the medium city taupe to my collection. I've been looking at it, so I'm going to watch it and see. So it has this, super cute, and then it has this little wristlet with the little gold coach here, and they should have put a cherry on here, but they have the little heart. If you guys can see, it's really cute. And it has the tan interior, and this heart isn't a full heart, it's just like a half a heart. I mean, half a zipper on it. It doesn't unzip completely like most of the Coach stuff. And then here's the little strap. Super cute. Like an imitation of the Lululemon. Really cute. I'm really excited to have that. I think my bum bag has a like tan. This is retail, and then this is outlet. That's super cute. And of course, I had to get the pencil case. I got the pencil case. It's got the gold zipper. It's got the little gold on the here. So yeah, this is, it has the tan interior. And this is the one of the other pencil cases that I have. So you can see they're both different cherry print. I should have got the pink one. I don't know what I was thinking, but you know how it is. You'd be like, oh, I'm going to pass on that collection, but it's okay. I have plenty. So that's the, a fly. It's bug season in Arizona. Well, it's bug season all over the country. And then I have the eyeglass case. And I don't know. This is cute. And it just looks like this in the inside. So that's the cherry case. I love how the twist lock, and it has Coach here. It has a little Coach tag on here. Well, you know, it has Coach everywhere. So yeah, this is the eyeglass case. It looks so cute, these three together. And then of course, everybody has seen this lately. It's like my favorite, one of my favorite SLGs. This is a Coach from retail. I got it stuffed. It's got plenty of stuff in it. It's like been my favorite go-to lately. I could put all kinds of lippies, lip balms, all my little necessities, and it has the gold heart as well. And then here is my Coach umbrella. I broke the handle. I don't know when it happened or how it happened. I just noticed it, but this is my Coach cherry umbrella. And then I have this little Coach bag in the blueprint. This is the strap. You can wear it as crossbody. It's like a navy blue hole in there. Here's the Coach Creed back here. You can hold your phone in here. It's like the pebbled leather. It's really nice. But what I really love about this, it has a twist lock in the front. It's a fly in here. The twist lock. And then it has this little pull-out wallet. You can put money. It's nice. I really like that. This one, I still have the tag on. It's called the Cherry Print Wash Chambray. I can't remember what the other initials mean, but yeah, this is really nice. How you can put your cards. It's got Coach on the back. What it holds 4 cards and a slit, and it just fits right in here with the twist lock. It's about this thick, so it holds an iPhone. It's really nice. This is a retail piece as well. I love this color, the blue with the chambray. And then this is also retail. This is a wristlet. It's got the little hang tag. It has the removable wristlet. It's got Coach in here. They call it Chalk Multi. It has 2 credit card slots. And this is like the large wristlet. Really nice. It's got like a, this one's kind of like a brushed metal color. And then I have this wristlet, which I haven't even opened, but I've had it for a while. This one is the corner zip cherry print flower pink bright violet. Let's see if you guys can see that. This is what this looks like. It's stamped with Coach here. So cute. And then on the inside, it has 2 card slots. It's never been used. And I also have the barrel to match this. I thought these would be 2 cute accessories in my purse. This is like a catch-all. But I've been using this for my camera lately. So it holds my camera. This is what it looks like in the inside. It's really cute. Here's the tag for this. Some of these I recently showed, but I figure I'm going to show the cherry collection. I might as well show all the pieces. So yep, that's that one. And then, oh, just so you can see the difference in the size of these wristlets. This is the corner zip. But the retail is so nice that you can remove these. Yeah, they should get with the program with the outlet. And then here is the cherry notebook to match. This one has got plenty of wear. It's got Coach here, Coach in the back, and it has like the red and beige. It doesn't have a Coach stamp on here, but what does it say here? Made in Vietnam. Made in Vietnam. So yeah, it's got like Coach on the little. But these colors, they have color transfer. My notebook, in fact, the pencil case, in fact, got some stains on it. I'm not sure how you get them or what, but they do a lot of color transfer. And then I also have the new Coach notebook. This one is Notebook Cherry Print Chalk Multi. So yeah, this one, I'm sure you guys probably seen it, but let me just pull it out to show you guys. It matches the pencil case and the eyeglass case and the little accessories. Yeah, so these chalk pieces, they do have color transfer. They can. It's got the same like beige lining in the inside, except this one is white in the back. Yep, it's got the little gold. Very cute. It's got Coach down here. It's got Coach all over. This is such a cute collection. I couldn't resist. They're such cute pieces. They're gonna look so cute in my bag. That's why I'm thinking I need to get that medium city tote. I think I would really like the medium size. So yeah. All right, let's keep it moving. So I have this cherry print. This is like the glittery. It's like sequins. It's got the sequins on it, and then it's got that whatever that like Coca-Cola color or something. Yeah, it doesn't have a Coach stamp. It's just got, you know. This is so cute. And I have the bag to match it. I didn't buy any other accessories with it, but this is the City Tote Cherry Print City Tote Black Multi. And it's the same print as this. Super cute, right? As you can see, it's still in the wrapping. I didn't open it yet. But yeah, it'll get worn this winter, most likely. And then, of course, you guys recently seen this one. This one is the embroidery cherry denim. This one is so nice. I haven't worn it yet, of course, but yeah, look at the embroidery of the cherries. So nice. I mean, the cherries are all over it. I couldn't resist it once I seen this on, oh my God, I'll put her name on the screen. I just went blank. But yeah, it's got the embroidery with the Coach. It's got the twist lock in the front. Here's the little beige Coach tag. And it's got the back pocket with the snap. It's such a cutie pie. Oh, it's such a cutie pie. So yeah, I couldn't resist. Oh yeah, and I also have, I bought the blue one. The blue notebook. This one is the gingham print, blue multi. I might have to get some pieces to the blue. I'm just going to wait before the next drop because sometimes they have it on sale or whatever. We'll see. We'll see. But I am kind of liking the blue with the cherry print. So this is the gingham print and the, do they call the blue a certain color? It's just blue multi. I really like it. I think it's adorable. I know some people were saying they didn't like the print, but I think it's really cute. It's adorable. But you know, stuff like this get color transfer, so you have to be careful when you store it with stuff and when you carry it. And then of course they do have the shoes, but I have these cherry shoes by Coach. It's got the like cherry print with the little glitter on it, and they're just regular white sneakers by Coach. Too cute, 9.5. As you can see, I haven't worn them yet, but oh my goodness, I might take them to Chicago. I might wear them in Chicago. Yeah, I might. And then of course you guys know one of my favorite pieces. This one. It's got the, this is the Coach cherry charm and the hang tag. This is a zip. Oh, I love this bag. Oh, it's so nice. It's like, don't it have 2 hang tags? Yeah, because it's the swing zip limited re-edition 1999, is it? But yeah, it's got this little hang tag. It's got the like leather in the inside. It's got 1 credit card slot, and yep, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is a different cherry. I have 1 cherry Coach charm, but it must be on one of my bags because I'm not sure where it's at right now. And then finally, of course, you've guys seen my cherry Coach cork backpack. Oh, I love this bag. It's so cute. It's so adorable. So yeah, that's the, and then I wanted to show you guys 1 bag. If you watched my last video, I'll leave it, I'll put it at the end. I'm just sweating. I forgot to show you guys one of my backpacks. This is my Disney. Here's the little Creed. It's on the outside, which is unusual. It's got the mini Mickey Mouse, and it's very nice. It's a nice college backpack. It's got the padding. It's got this 1 zipper pocket for like your laptop, and then it has the two-way zipper. It's got the little pocket with the zipper. You can put a snap like your iPad. Plus it's got the pockets in the front with the middle one for like a pen. And then of course it has this one. The only problem I'm having with this bag, and it was new, it's got this front pocket, is my strap. One of my straps keeps loosening up. I don't know how I can get that fixed. And then here's the, it says on here, Disney times Coach. I don't know if you guys can see it on there. But yeah, this is a nice backpack too. It's really cute. But like I said, the strap, it always gets looser. So I always constantly have to pull it. So there you go. That's my cherry collection. I don't think I forgot anything, but I really love the Coach cherry collection. So I think you guys should get you a piece from the cherry collection, even if you just get a wristlet or a pencil case or whatever. So don't forget to thumbs up the video. And if you guys are interested in seeing anything when I go to Chicago, I'm going to my family reunion. Jim, just put Chicago in the comments and maybe I'll do like a short or I'll do something. But I do have some ideas for what's new in the cookie jar. So I'm probably going to do a what's new in the cookie jar of my Chicago adventure, hanging out with my family. We'll see how much your girl get to record. But anyway, I think I'll take my straw hat with me. So peace out. Deuces.